video is workout problem number 14 from lesson 8, and we are looking at an angle V in the interval negative pi over 2 to 0. We're given the cosine of V, and the instructions are to find the sine of 2V. So I copied the formula for sine of 2 theta off the formula sheet. Remember, you are allowed your formula sheet on all your tests and exam. Just replacing the theta that's in the formula with a V, like what's in the problem. So what I need is 2 sine of V, cosine V. Well, I already have cosine V. I need to find sine of V. So now let's use the information that's up here to find the sine of V. We draw an X and Y axis. So it tells me that V is in the interval negative pi over 2 to 0. Remember, your negative angles go this way. So negative pi over 2 is here. 0 is here. That means my angle V is in the 4th quadrant. So I'll draw a triangle here. Put V down in the corner. And I know the cosine of V is 1 over 5. Remember, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So looking at my angle V, I have adjacent side here, hypotenuse here. I need the opposite. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So I'll use the Pythagorean theorem to find that. I'll just call this side B. 1 squared plus B squared equals 5 squared. 1 squared is 1. 5 squared is 25. Subtracting 1 from both sides, b squared is 24. Take the square root of both sides. Alright, now 24 factors into 4 and 6. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 square root of 6. And I notice that here I'm in the negative part of the y-axis. So I'm going to choose the negative 2 square root of 6. Not because the side length is negative, but because its direction is down. That negative tells me I'm going down. So when I get ready to do the sine of V, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Negative 2 square root of 6 over 5. And here in the 4th quadrant, sine should be negative, and that's what I have there. So that matches up with what we would expect. Now I'll substitute in 2, I'll make that 2 over 1, sine of V, which I just found there, negative 2 square root of 6 over 5, and then cosine of V, which I was given. Then you multiply fractions, you multiply straight across. 2 times 2 square root of 6 times 1 is 4 square root of 6, and that's going to be negative, because positive times a negative is a negative. And then in the denominator, 1 times 5 times 5 is 25. Nothing to simplify there. So there is the sine of 2V.